This is sexual reproduction in fungi. Two hyphae of different genotype come together and fuse. Genotype means genetic composition. These two hyphae are of different genotypes or genetic composition. That means one hypha is considered male, other is considered female. They come together, at the point of contact they fuse. Two haploid cells, any two haploid cells which lie opposite to each other in the hyphae fuse. At the point of contact their cell walls dissolve. Fusion of two haploid cells or two protoplast is called plasmogamy. After plasmogamy, the two haploid nuclei remain together for a brief period. They do not fuse immediately. This stage is called dikaryon. Presence of two haploid nuclei within the same protoplast after plasmogamy. Dikaryon is followed by karyogamy, fusion of two haploid nuclei. This is called karyogamy. Karyogamy results in the formation of a diploid nucleus and the cell is called zygote. Karyogamy is followed by formation of a diploid zygote. Two haploid nuclei fuse, forming a diploid nucleus. This is called zygote. Now, zygote will undergo meiosis or reduction division. As a result of meiosis, the zygote forms 4 haploid spores. These are the 4 haploid spores which are formed from each zygote through meiosis. The spores will germinate and form fungi similar to the parent. So in the sexual reproduction of fungi, there are 2 stages: plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Now, meiosis and formation of spores take place inside a particular structure. This is called fruiting body. Fruiting body is present in all fungi. Within the fruiting body, the zygote undergoes meiosis and spores are formed. In the class Ascomycetes, fruiting bodies are called ascocarps. In the class Basidiomycetes, the fruiting bodies are called basidiocarps. Now, if the spores are formed externally, they are called exogenous. This is seen in Basidiomycetes. If the spores are formed inside, they are called endogenous. It is found in Ascomycetes and Phycomycetes. In the class Basidiomycetes, the spores are formed on the basidium. Basidium, singular number, plural number, basidia. Basidium is a club-shaped structure. All the basidia are arranged inside the basidiocarp. On the outer surface of the basidium, the spores develop. So they are exogenous. In Ascomycetes, the spores are formed inside a sac-like structure called ascus. All the asci, plural number, ascus. Asci, singular number, ascus. All the asci are arranged inside ascocarp. In Phycomycetes, spores are formed within the sporangium. Sporangium develops. Sporangium is a structure which is born at the tip of a specialized hypha, sporangiophore. Sporangiophore. So in Phycomycetes and Ascomycetes, spores are endogenously developed. In basidiomycetes, spores are exogenous. If the gametes are similar in morphology, they are called isogamous. If the gametes are dissimilar, they are called anisogamous and also oogamous. Oogamous is the smaller gamete is called male gamete, the larger gamete is called the female gamete. Isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous.